Setting up lead pages for Facebook ads is a game changer if you're looking to boost conversions and streamline your lead generation process. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, but stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing some great alternatives that could give you even better results. First, let's start by signing into your LeadPages account and creating a new landing page. This is where the magic begins. If you already have a Facebook ad campaign ready to go, you'll want to choose a template that aligns with your ad's goal. For instance, if you're promoting a free trial or a special offer, you'll want to pick a template that emphasizes that value up front. Next, once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Focus on creating a headline that resonates with your audience. This is crucial because your headline is the first thing people will see when they land on your page. It should speak directly to their pain point or offer them a solution in a way that grabs attention. The third thing you'll want to do is integrate your LeadPages landing page with Facebook ads. To do this, head over to your Facebook Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Choose the lead generation objective, and when you get to the Create Ads section, simply paste the URL of the LeadPages landing page you just made. Now, let's move on to the fourth step, tracking your conversions. It's important to set up Facebook's pixel on your LeadPages landing page. This way, you can track how many people are actually completing the form or taking action on your landing page. You can do this by going into the settings of your LeadPages page and adding the pixel ID in the Facebook pixel section. The fifth thing you should do is test, test, test. A/B testing is crucial for figuring out what works best. You can easily duplicate your LeadPages page and change just one thing at a time, like the call to action or the headline, and see what converts better. This will allow you to continually optimize your page and get the best results possible from your Facebook ads. Now, here's a tip. While LeadPages offers powerful features, it's not the only tool out there for creating landing pages. If you're looking for more flexibility or a platform that integrates seamlessly with other marketing tools, there are alternatives worth checking out. These alternatives might just give you a better experience for your specific needs, especially when running Facebook ads. Lastly, I want to let you in on an exclusive deal. Through our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial for LeadPages, but we also have a list of alternatives that might better suit your needs and offer free trials too. These options could take your Facebook ads to the next level with additional features that you won't find with LeadPages. So, if you're ready to get started with Facebook ads and lead generation, be sure to check out the link in the description to get the best free trial available exclusively for our viewers. You don't want to miss out on these benefits.